Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video, I am going to teach you pattern programming, and it is one of the most important questions and answer in the programming round. So I hope you understood how many weightage of this pattern programming is there in your interview round and also in coding round. So it is very important. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels, and in this video we are going to learn about pattern programming. So let's start. Now. अरे साला ऐसा होता है क्या? Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video we are going to learn about pattern programming, and it is very important for pattern programming. So in this video I am going to teach you different type of the patterns like X pattern, Y pattern, Z patterns, all alphabetical patterns I am going to cover in this video. Almost if you learn this video, definitely you can understood how to print A with a star, how to print B with a star. So I try to cover some Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video I am going to teach you pattern programming, and pattern programming is one of the most important things in your coding and all as well as interview round also. So let us continue and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video I am going to teach you pattern programming, and as you know, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video I am going to teach you pattern programming. In this video I am going to cover you all the alphabetical patterns like if you want to print A with a star, if you want to print B with a star, if you want to print C with a star. So I am going to cover all those things whatever required to print a one alphabet letters with a star. So please continue this video until end so you can understood how you can do in the very easy way. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all you have to know about what is the matrix, because your pattern is depend on the matrix. So I am going to create one matrix like this is the one matrix. If I am going to create like this is the one of the row, okay, and this is the another row, this is the another row, one more row I am going to take because I want to create 3 by 3, so it is easy for you and me also to understood. Okay, so this is the 3 block and the 3 row I have to create also. Otherwise I can take 5 also, no problem, but if I take simples and it's easy for you and me guys also. So let us take row 1, okay, fine, and let us take row 2 and as well as 3. So this is the matrix, something like that. Okay, so if you see here having a some row and column, so this is the row I will indicate, this is row, you can say this is row, this is row, row, and this is the column, this is the column, कल्लुम जिसको बोलते हैं कल्लुम. column, column. Okay, fine. Guys, now I have to understood like what is the index value. For example, if I fill something here like 10, 20, if I fill here 10, 20, 30, here 40, here 50, here 60, here 17, anything, so you can take 17, here 18, here 19. Okay, so I have take some value like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 16, 17, 18 or 19. So this value having some index point, like if you consider like a I or J, so row and column. So I have assumed row as a I will assume row as a I. So this is the I and this is the J. This is the J, I or J. So here having a I or J combination like I or J. So I or J is the very good things. Okay, this is the I or J. Okay, fine. So if I index these things, so every time it will start with 0. So this index value is something like that, like if I take some other color like this one, so it will become like 0, 0 and 0, because I and J both are 0. This is index numbers. If I take something else, like if I increase in the row side, so definitely it will become like 0. Row is 0 but column is 1, so this is the 1 column. Okay, if I go forward, it will take 0 but 2. This is the column 2. So like that it will increases. If you go to these places, here you can indicate like if you go to these places, you can indicate 0 and also 0, because these things and these things both are same. If you go to this place, you can indicate row is 1 but column is 0, but column is 0. If you go to this place, you can see row is 2, column is 0. So right now this part is 0 and this part is incrementing 1, 2, 0 like that. Okay, so if you consider, then it will become, these things will be become like, this index point become like 1, 1. This index point become like, I will teach you each and everything. This index point become like 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Okay, fine. This will become like 1, no, this one become, it's a wrong thing, so this will become 1 or 0. Yeah, it's already I have mentioned here, so please cut it these things, so you have to erase. Okay, fine. So you have to remove those things. This is a 1, 0 only. This is the 1, 1. So this is also not our point. Okay, so remove this thing also. So this will become right now what? 0, 1. This one become 1, 1. This will become 1, 2. 1, 2. So this is already mentioned 2, 0. So it will become 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and this will become 2, 2. So here you have seen something like all the points having a something value like index value, and this is pointing something like some I or J combination, row and column combinations. Okay, so this will become something row and column combination. It is absolutely fine, and I also support these things. Okay, apart from this, if you want to do something a better way, okay, so I'm going to teach you like how to do this programming with Java. So just open Edit Plus. This is one of the tools, you can say Notepad, and through this Notepad I'm going to create one classes, and I will do each and everything regarding your pattern programming, so it will help you. Okay, so I'm going to write like programming pattern programming. Just copy this and save. So if you want to save, just go to this place and save this .java. Okay, fine. If you run, you find out the default println value is this thing, hello world. Okay, fine. Now you want to see this, and you have to print something X or something line like that. For example, if you want to print this one line in your screen with a star, you have to print. So you have to consider this column. You have to consider this column. Start with 0 0. I and J both are 0. I and J both are 1. I and J both are 2. So if you want to print this line with a star, how you can do it? So I am going to do in front of you. So please take one loop and mention int I equal to 0, because every matrix start with 0, so it is fine. And I less than equal to, for example, 2, equal to 2, or if you will not mention 2, just put it 3, and I plus plus. Okay, fine. Inside this loop you have to take one more loop, because you want to iterate those things with J loop also, J. So you have to participate two variables, int I and int J equal to 0, J less than is 3, and J plus plus. Okay, apart from this you have to mention also like this. This is the two methods you have created, two for each loop created. Inside this you have to mention like that. Just remove this, and this is absolutely fine, this place, because it will give you something like a one next line, so it is required. So if you want to print here something, you have to write a conditions like if I equal to J, then only you have to print a star. Okay, then only you have to print a star, because you already see here, and I and J both are 0 0, I and J both are 1 1, I and J both are 2 2. I want to print this line, then definitely you have to write the condition. If I and J both are not 0, you have to print a space. What you have to print? A space. So you have to return one if conditions. Now you are going to write one else conditions, and inside this else conditions you don't want to mention anything, you just print the space. Fine. If this one is completed, you have to give one next line. You have to give one next line, because If this is completed, one loop is completed, one iteration is completed, then you have to want one more. This one for the next line, it's a different things. Okay, so just print it, and right now you can see you are printing these things like that, so it is not good. So just remove println, you don't want next line here. Okay, so keep in mind if you do some mistake. So you are able to print this star like that. You can see you are able to print a star whatever you think. Okay, one more things, if you want to print something like x, so just write or and just mention I plus j equal to whatever you think here. For example, if you want to print this line, so if you want to print this line, then you can see here 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 1, and 2 plus 0 is 2 only. So just consider like that, if I plus j equal to 2, just consider like that, if I plus j equal to 2, then print this. Then print this. Okay, so right now you can see you are able to print the x. Okay, for example, this is not look good, so you can mention here like 9. Also here you just change the 9. So if you change the 9, okay, so it will become 9. Okay, so 9 to 0 to 7, so definitely if this one is 9, it means less than 2. This is the 2. So just put it here 9, not 9, 8 you can put it also fine. And you can see this is the biggest thing you are able to print today. Okay, so finally you have printed the x in this video. I hope guys you enjoy. Okay, so first of all you are able to print a x pattern with alphabetic patterns with the help of Java programming, and earlier I have already explained those things how you can do it. Okay, now for example, if you want to print O, this one, this one, this one, this one, so how you can do it? So you have to print like if I is 0, because 0 0 0 every times 0, and j is also 0, and if you want to print this line you have to make it like always 2, like j is always 2, and if you want to make this line, so you have to make like I is always 2. Okay, so let us see here how can I do it. For example, if you want to print O, just remove this and make I equal to 8, or I equal to 0, or j equal to 0, or j equal to 8. If you take this one and if you try to print, automatically you are able to print O. How? Just focus this point. If you understood these things, how it will work, I have mentioned condition only I here, so I am able to print this line. Okay, I am going to now I will try to understood you, like I will remove these things. For example, if I print I equal to 0, so I am able to print the horizontal line and top of the line, this one. For example, now I want to print some button line, so that place or and j is equal to 8. our index number I have mentioned. So you are able to print the 8. J is equal to, not a side line, front of the side line. Okay, j equal to 8. If I mention here what I equal to 8, then I will print bottom of the line. The top and bottom is the control of I, and side and front is control of j. Okay, so if I mention here j equal to 0, so I am print the left side of the line, this one. Okay, if I mention here like j equal to 8, then I am able to print side of the line here. If you guys confused, don't mention here 0, mention 1, mention 1, so that you can easily understood. Okay, mention 1. So 1 to 8 is 9. Okay, 9. Now not 8, you have to take 9. Okay, now if you try to consider, you are able to print I or j, but not other things. Why? Because I is a start with 1, it is going to 10. So you have to mention here equal to. Okay, just see it. I'm not going to confuse you guys, because when start with 1 and go to the 9, so definitely it will become 9 times. So 9 plus 1, it will become 10 times. So you have to print right here 10. 0 plus 9 is 9 only. 0 plus 9 is 9 only, so mention 9, not 10. Now guys, I hope you understood and you are able to print O also. If you want to print X, I already told you, just mention I equal to J, I equal to J, or I plus J equal to 9. So you are able to print the X. You are able to print X. Okay, fine guys. Now, for example, I want to print something like what? P. I want to print P. How can I do it? So it's a simple thing you are doing right now. It's a simple thing you are doing right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9 things. So if you want to print the P, I don't have an idea, but I want to print P. So I think like I want to print P. So how to draw it? So I will take like, okay, if you want to print, I want this line. Okay, apart from this, I want this line also, okay. If I take this line, one more lines I want, like this line I want, and I have a control of I, so I will take this line also, and finally I am able to print, a P. Okay, so first of all, take this line, left side of the line, and then after take top of the line. Okay, 2 lines first of all you have to take. Okay, so I know if I put here I equal to 1, so I am able to take the top of the line, this line. I want to take the left side of the line, so I have to mention J, and J equal to also 1. So I am able to print this line also. Okay, now I want to print this one lines. Now I want to print this one line. How can I print this one lines? I have to go through the middle. So I want middle, so I have to mention like, or I is equal to 5. If I mention 5, definitely I will print one more line, and this is the middle of this. Now I want top of the line and not fully. So how can I do it? So for example, if I have a control of the J, so this is the J line, not is the I line. So J is fully, and J is fully, but I is less than 5. Okay, J is fully but I is less than 5. So I have to written here the end condition also, so that it will work in the fine way. Okay, so how can I do it? I have to write like I have to write like how can I do it? I have to write like J is equal to 9. If I write here, I can print something different like these things. This is the A. Oh my god, we are able to print A. It's my goodness. Okay, so I have printed A, but if you want to print something, you don't want to print everything, you want to print P. So how can I do it? So you want to remove this line. Okay, this line, how can I remove? You want to print this, you want to remove this, you want to remove this. So you have to write one more end conditions, and this end is, and this end is like that, and I is less than 6. I is less than 6. Maybe it will work, and this is doing work fantastic. So I hope guys you understood how can I print the P. So definitely it's a very easy way. If you want to print Z, how can I do it? If you want to print Z, for examples, I want to print these symbols. For examples, I want to print these symbols. This one, top button. Again, I have to take this one, and again I have to take this one. This is the Z. This is the absolutely Z. So this is the very simple also. Okay, you just have to mention I equal to 1, J equal to 1. Okay, so you have to mention both I equal to 1 and J equal to also 9. Okay, 9, fine. So no, not J, you have to mention I. So top and bottom you are able to print. You want just cross line of the secondary principal. So it is also easy. It's not a very big things. So you have to write I plus J equal to 9. So definitely you are able to print. If you write here 10, you are printing the very good way. So this is the Z you are able to print. I hope guys you enjoy this video, and that much I think this is the enough for you. And if you want to print like W, anything patterns like this one, so I hope you are able to do it, and you can try to do. If I do everything, then you are not going to practice. So I will give in to you. Please practice W. If you are done the W, please do the M also. Please do N also. If you're doing this, all those things, definitely you are a great man. Okay, so you have to understood those things. After then you have to mention like sustain. You know sustain, how it's work. uh, I will print you such thing like these things. Go to these things. Okay, fine. Take these things. Fine. Go to these things. These things. These things. And you want to print something, so just mention here like that. This is the such thing. I hope you know about it. So you can print those things also, and it is very important if you know about it, how you can treat it. Thank you so much for watching my video.